Hey, if this is your first time here and you want to learn more C# and Visual Studio programming tips, start now by subscribing and clicking the bell so you don't miss anything. If you want to use C# 8 in any .NET project, you can easily do this by making a simple change to your CSproj file. To illustrate this, let's look at some sample code. Here we have an enum of planets. In the method that returns the Earth Day orbit, we have a switch statement. I know that C# 8 uses switch expressions, so I want to try it out. Adding a switch expression, unfortunately, doesn't work, as this is a C# 8 feature. Let's edit the CSproj file by unloading the project and editing the CSproj file from inside Visual Studio 2019. Now simply add a lang version tag with a value of 8.0. If you already have a lang version tag, just change it to 8.0. Save the CSproj file and reload your project. You will now see that your switch expression does not display any red squigglies. The complete switch expression would look as follows, and that's all there is to it. There are a few limitations to using C# 8 in any .NET project, but head over to my blog and read more about these. Thank you for watching this video. If you like, give it a thumbs up.